Hello, welcome to Marian's Morning Talk. I'm Marianne, VP of Networking and Collaboration, and I'm here with Richard Cashdan, EMEA Social Media Manager for Networking and Collaboration, or my Minister of Social Media Information, to get the latest and greatest news about what we can do online for our partners. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. I'm coming to you live from inside the social media mega platform where I am creating the first social media strategy that Westcon Comstore's networking collaboration has ever seen. So I'm very excited.
So, what new developments can we expect on social media?
We're going to create a very good content plan that shows all of our amazing partners and the great benefits that they bring to everybody. And we're going to present it in a really fun, engaging way. I thought we could have shows like Marianne's Morning Talk, where we discuss the latest and greatest actions. And we could also do some really cool ads and create a cool content schedule.
So what changes and developments do you want to see happen on social media for Westcon Comstore?
Well, I want to see us being talked about on social media. I want to see people like yourself who are going out there and saying all the amazing things we're doing and convincing people about all the good work that we do. And I'd like to see it happen a lot. And that's what I'm trying to do right now.
Super, really cool. So what's a quick win people can do to ramp up their social media profiles?
The easiest thing a person can do is simply say, hey, I am, and talk about your role and talk about your interests. Because on social media, like people tend to come together. And if you have a very strong passion and have an interest that you feel that you want to learn more about, if you put that out there on social media, you're going to find people like you who come to meet you and want to learn more about it.
So Richard, you are there now for, I think, 1 month. So how was your onboarding experience and compared to other companies you have been with?
My onboarding experience was crazy in a really good way. Because as you know, at Westcon Comstore, we have so many partners and we have so many platforms. And so I spent my first month trying to figure out all the different partners and what their strengths are and weaknesses are, and all our different tools and how we can basically show that. So it was pretty overwhelming, especially during a pandemic. But I have to say, I've never seen so much enthusiasm and energy. So for me, it was really uplifting to be part of the team and to undergo the onboarding.
Super. So thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Have lots of fun this week, Richard.
Thank you, Marianne. I will. Cheers.